Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting only the files you must compress, delete caches and duplicates first. Install 7-zip or ZSTD, these give the best size versus speed. Once you pick a format, choose 7Z or XZ for maximum compression. Choose zip only if compatibility matters. Next, set up an output folder and name the archive clearly so you avoid recompressing later. Make sure to note whether files are already compressed, because recompressing JPEG or MP4s yields little gain. You now tune settings to squeeze size. Pick the highest compression profile, Ultra in 7-zip or ZSTD at -19. Understand this will be slower. Once done, enable solid archive mode so similar files share dictionaries. For many small files, use a 256 MB to 1 GB block. Make sure to increase dictionary and word sizes when dealing with large, repetitive datasets. This improves ratio. Also, choose multi-threading if available for speed, but know it slightly raises memory. You finish by creating the archive and immediately test extract to confirm integrity. Verify permissions and file timestamps. Once done, compare sizes, and if the result is unsatisfying, pre-process. Remove duplicates, deduplicate large similar files, and convert raw images to compressed formats before archiving. If compression fails or crashes, reduce the solid block size or lower compression level, because memory limits often cause errors. Make sure to keep a copy of original files until verification succeeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.